Want to change your voice on iPhone? Then here's a step-by-step process on how you can easily change it. Well, first thing first, you should know that there is no direct steps in order for you to change the voice on iPhone. So what you gotta do is, you have to install one application. So head over to App Store and search for Voice Changer, and then click on this app. Tap on Install and install this application on your device. Once it has been installed, you will see the option of Open. Click on it, and then tap on Continue. Click on Allow. Now you can start recording your voice by clicking on this icon and click on Allow. Now sing any of the song or say whatever you want to. If you want to stop the recording, tap on this red icon again. And there you can see that tons of different voices will be available to you. Click on any one of it for you to change it. From here you can select any of the voice that you want to, and then you'll be good to go. So this is simply how you can change your voice on iPhone. If this video helped you out, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.